He has tuned my bike. Like, look at this. Look at this pickup.
Second gear pulls like
Different issues were there
Okay.
related to engine.
knocking sound was like very serious.
I was not happy with the sound.
Hello guys. So today I am here to talk about the Royal Enfield Himalayan, the Himalayan brand which just introduced by the Royal Enfield before 1 year. I purchased that brand. I invested in the Himalayan brand, and the problem which I face on my Kanyakumari, Mumbai to Kanyakumari ride, I have done 1 month back in December. So I have faced like small problems. I'm like investigating this Royal Enfield Himalayan problem from last I guess 1 month, especially all the Royal Enfield Himalayan owner and who are planning to buy a Royal Enfield Himalayan. Those guys definitely watch this vlog till end. Okay guys, so on 21st guys, I got this news online from one of my friend that there is a training camp going on for the Royal Enfield Himalayan owner arranged by the official Royal Enfield TSM, Territory Service Manager. So I decided that let's visit the training camp and resolve my all issues with the official Royal Enfield guys. So this is the video.
If you have any concerns, please let us know. We'll resolve your concerns also.
A lot of them have ridden my bike, so they know what is the difference in a proper Himalayan and what is the difference in a little screwed up Himalayan. किसने चलाया इधर?
मैं तो बेचने गया था.
ये तो गाड़ी बेचने गया था, मेरा राउंड मारने का था. ठीक है, अभी इसका सॉल्यूशन निकालते, बेचना नहीं है.
नहीं, इसीलिए ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करने का मीनिंग यही है कि नो योर बाइक. तो आप जब बाइक चलाते हो, अगर इन केस चलाते हो, राइडिंग करते हो, कोई छोटी मोटी दिक्कत आ रही है आपको, तो आप कैसे अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो और उसका ऑन द स्पॉट टेम्परेरी सॉल्यूशन करके आप वर्कशॉप तक कैसे पहुंच सकते हो. लाइक एनफील्ड में आने के बाद आई फील लाइक नहीं, यहाँ पे कुछ तो है, वो एनफील्ड बोलते ना ब्लड में घुस गई है. Like, so I understood from customers also, like it is a brotherhood, you can say.
There's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it.
I will never expect कि मेरे brothers कुछ कहीं suffer करें. So that's why we are planning this training session. आपको कोई भी दिक्कत anytime you can have my personal number. I'm a territory manager basically for this Mumbai area. We are 3 guys handling complete Mumbai.
Nimish is one of them.
Yeah, me, Nimesh and Prasad Bide. 3 guys are handling complete Mumbai. So we are the territory managers. And we can means extend our hands if you are riding somewhere and you face the problem, so we can extend our hands. तो उसके लिए आपको कोई भी इश्यूज नहीं है. आप मेरा पर्सनल नंबर रख सकते हैं. कोई भी इश्यूज है, you just give me a call. ये इश्यूज है, कैसे सॉल्यूशन आना है, we will be always there to support you.
This is the Dhaval sir from Royal Enfield Mumbai service team. I especially thank Dhaval sir for this, that he gave me his personal number and he said that whenever you are traveling, just give me a call. If you need any help, I'll be there in night, in day, no problem. So that is the like promise from the Dhaval sir. And after this, one of the senior member of a Royal Enfield service team Mumbai has come and they actually talked with us and about the problem. We actually discuss the problem with every one of us. We are around 20 member guys to that training session, and he took everybody's problem very seriously and he gave the solution for it. So that is the main thing guys.
सर एक्चुअली जब भी मैं उड़ी से आ रहा था, तो तभी उसका जो रियर ब्रेक है वो लगना बंद हो गया. तो उसका जो रबर रहता है उसमें से प्रेशर चला गया, ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ. देन मैंने कैसे तो बैंगलोर तक चलाया ओनली फ्रंट ब्रेक के ऊपर. फिर बैंगलोर के जो सर्विस सेंटर है वहाँ पे गया, उनको बताया मेरा केस कि मुझे मुंबई जाना है आज कुछ भी करके, तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे जल्दी से जल्दी अटेंड करिए. तो वो भी उन्होंने नहीं देखा. उनका जो लिस्ट था उसी तरह से मुझे रुका के रखा ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 घंटा. देन उसके बाद जब भी मैं वहाँ से निकला तो उन्होंने मुझे रियर का जो ब्रेक पैड है वो चेंज करके दिया. उन्होंने बोला कि उसकी वजह से वो प्रेशर जा रहा है आपके ब्रेक में से. मैंने ठीक है, अभी हो गया प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने के बाद जैसे ही मैं बैंगलोर से निकला, विद इन 50 किलोमीटर्स मेरा वो ब्रेक का फिर से प्रेशर चला गया. और देन मैं रॉयल एनफील्ड किसी भी शोरूम मतलब जाने की मूड में भी नहीं था. वहाँ से मुंबई तक ओनली फ्रंट ब्रेक के ऊपर आया हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट 1000 किलोमीटर. और उसके बाद मैं एक्चुअली गाड़ी बेचने भी जा रहा था, बट मॉन्टी भाई ने मुझे मतलब गाड़ी के जो प्रॉब्लम्स है उसके बारे में बताया कि वी कैन सॉल्व इट. तो इतना जल्दी मतलब बेचने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि 2 ही महीना हुआ है मेरा गाड़ी को और 8000 किलोमीटर हो गए. और फिर उसका जब भी गाड़ी चलाया तो उसने जो तरह के कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन और कुछ किए तो वो देख के मुझे लगा यार मेरा गाड़ी फिर ऐसा क्यों नहीं बना के दिया ऑलरेडी रॉयल एनफील्ड ने। और उसका जो ऑयली का प्रॉब्लम है सर वो ऑलरेडी मतलब 500 किलोमीटर से ही स्टार्ट हो गया था। उसके बाद मैंने उसके लिए 2 बार किया है इंजन मतलब जो इंजन का राइट साइड का जो साइड है उसमें से ऑयल निकलता रहता है, तो उसके लिए मैंने 2 बार सर्विस सेंटर में मैं विजिट किया हूँ लेकिन फिर भी नहीं होता है। और एक बात बोलना चलूँगा कि डीएम मोटर्स करके है कोई कन्याकुमारी से आगे 70 किलोमीटर्स पे, तो उनके पास जब भी मैं मेरा सेकंड सर्विसिंग के लिए गया था तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया। मतलब मैं एक एज अ राइडर हूँ, मेरी उन्होंने सब गाड़ियाँ रुकाई और मेरी गाड़ी सबसे पहली थी और अच्छे से सर्विस करके वॉश और ये सब उन्होंने एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री करके मुझे दे दिया गाड़ी विद इन 40 मिनट्स। तो 40 मिनट्स में अगर सर्विसिंग कर रहे हैं तो ये तो मतलब कमेंडेबल जॉब हो गया। तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल किया, बट बैंगलोर वाले जो सिटी में हैं वो उन्होंने अच्छे से हैंडल नहीं किया।
So in the training session, I met this guy called Monty. He was like actually a very knowledgeable person. So he was like a very technical guy. He was like discussing with the official Royal Enfield people like very confidently, and he knows all about the bikes. So that was like quite a surprising thing for me, guys. Like how he know everything about the bike. And then when I like went out, there was a bunch of people who are surrounding to Monty. I got curious and then I went into the crowd that, hey Monty, what are you doing actually? Then he said that nothing buddy, just tuning my friend's bike. I was like, tuning? Yeah, he said, yeah, I'll tune yours also. I was like, what is gonna do to my bike?
So guys, done with the Royal Enfield training campaign, and what I have done to my bike is one of my friend Monty from THT. He is the group admin of THT, the Himalayan tribe. He has tuned my bike and it is performing really well. Look at this pickup. Oh my god, this bike is altogether another level. I don't know actually what he done to my engine. He tuned it, he said that he just tuned it, but I don't know the like technical term inside that tuning. But whatever he did to my bike is really excellent, commendable. Like this bike is pulling up non-stop now. Monty done something brilliant work to my bike.
Because of this tool.
This tool, look at this guys, this small tool and his brilliant head.
Like I feel the difference, okay guys, so I feel the difference. My engine is become very smooth, the bike become very responsive, the tapping sound was gone, the backfire is like minimum around 90% gone, 10% is still there, but yeah, it's like working. So what I did is like I thought that why not this, if this guy is doing such a brilliant thing, that is for free guys, okay, no charge. That is the first thing, no charge, nothing. He's doing out of his passion. How the tuning by Monty is affecting all his THT member. So guys, I got some member with me from THT and they are sharing their experience.
Mr. Dhaval, who owned this bike, and he is Mr. Dhaval with us from THT. As you can see, yeah, he is from the THT, right?
Yeah.
What is the difference before tuning and after tuning? Just let us know.
The vast difference has been the power delivery first of all, and the knocking, which has almost disappeared, and power is like a linear one.
Okay.
Also, like you are not facing any issues with the engine heating, which
Okay.
was the major issue earlier.
Yeah.
In the initial maybe 2 or 3,000 kilometers, it used to heat a lot.
Okay.
Once it has been tuned by Monish, locally known as Monty in our group, so the knocking is drastically come down, and the power is, the delivery has been linear in all the gears.
Great.
Average has improved, yes, I forgot to give you a better point. Average, it has gone from like maybe 27 which I was getting, it's over 32, 33.
Okay, 32, 33 from a 410cc bike.
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes, definitely.
Oh my god, great. So don't know what is this guy is doing with the bike. I don't have a Monty with me, but the customers of Monty, the friends
Immensely
of
happy.
Monty are really very happy.
So before tuning, how is your experience with this white Himalayan?
See, earlier before tuning, I was not happy with the sound. There was a misfiring sound. Even the acceleration was not that good. I tried multiple times to go into service center and I do it, but I was not satisfied with that. Then I joined THT, and all of a sudden I came to know that THT is a brand where you can go and talk to Monish. And personally, no promotion about something, but when I met Monish and he did the tuning, I was so satisfied at that time. So it was actually good, no backfiring, engine noise was very silent, and I was using some other exhaust, so I did a tuning that time. So I was very happy at that time, but that I was not satisfied with the exhaust. I changed the exhaust to the new and the company fitted. Then I again met Monish. Now good thing about Monish is I get it tuned the second time, but that he didn't took any money from me. He is doing for his passion. I love that passion. I have never met such a nice guy, and he did a tuning again. After that, I would tell you, my engine was performing so well. Even average point of view, my average was so low, 20, 22, somewhat like that. After tuning, it is giving me right now is 30 km/h. So that is very awesome thing. I would like to tell something about Monish. That is, if you call him at night also, if you call Monish at night 2 a.m., he is there. Though you will hear some back sound from his wife that you are calling this, getting called this time, but any which he will help you from the morning till night. He is always available for us, only for the Himalayan. Okay, he is the best person, and I will request everyone to join THT and get it tuned by Monty, please.
We have another member from THT. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Ashish Banushali from Ghatkopar. I am one of the member of a THT. I have black Himalayan, as you can see. Frankly speaking, the starting, like when I started with the Himalayan, when I owned it, it was not really like good experience. It was like a one piece of can, Ishna service center, you can say. The experience was like really okay, not so good. It was like my 7th or 8th service, not you can say, visit. No, different issues were there.
Okay.
Related to engine, basically. So वहाँ पे मुझे मोनिश मिला, उनसे मेरी बात हुई. I was really frustrated. Basically, I was really frustrated with the bike and the engine. तो उन्होंने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किया कि क्या क्या हो सकता है. उन्होंने मुझे खाली 5 मिनट मांगे कि खाली 5 मिनट दे मुझे तेरे बाइक के साथ. I will do something and after that you can try your bike. And frankly speaking, उन्होंने खाली एक छोटा सा स्क्रू ड्राइवर लेके कुछ ट्यूनिंग किया. और उसके बाद मेरे बाइक लिटरली आई वॉज राइडिंग ए डिफरेंट बाइक. मेरा इंजन नॉकिंग, मेरा इंजन साउंड, मेरा पिकअप, मेरा एवरेज, सब कुछ ऑलमोस्ट बन जैसा हो गया. और जो पिकअप, जो स्पीड, जो मुझे एवरेज मिला है, frankly speaking, it was like really different.
Like what is the average before and after?
Basically, before I was getting like 22, 24.
Okay.
22 to 23 on basically city, and 24 to 26 on highway.
Okay.
And right now I am getting almost in city, I am getting a 26 to 28 on a highway. I am getting approximately, if I am riding a really good manner, as a cruise manner, I am getting approximately 29 to 30 or higher side on 32.
After getting my bike tuned with Monish, Monty, should I say? I mean, it was just amazing. I could actually feel the, actually acceleration in the bike. The heat is almost like nil. The thumping sound from the silencer.
The backfire.
Exhaust, backfire, exactly.
Yeah.
The backfire is almost nil now. And the mileage. The mileage, the biggest concern. Now I think I'm getting somewhere around 28. But now I think almost all the problems have been resolved as such.
Okay.
So
Great job from Monty.
No doubt about it. Yeah.
You have a THT logo on your bike, right? So how is the experience when you take your bike to a service center with the THT logo?
Well, I mean, I would say we have been treated as VIPs, rather I would say.
With the THT logo, you feel like a VIP.
VIPs at any RE workshop. Definitely, I mean, this is a great experience.
Means this is a really great group, if you can say.
Super, no doubt about it.
is for the Himalayan, it is must to join the THT.
101%. There is no two thoughts about it.
Okay. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि like every Himalayan owner को मुंबई आना पड़ेगा Monty से ट्यून करने के लिए बाइक?
जी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Monty is a really genuine guy. He is very generous. He might even come down to Bangalore to help people, and we are supporting him for that. Team Himalayan THT is behind him.
We have a couple from the THT, Mr. Tanmay and Mrs. Pooja. So like they are the most funniest couple on the THT, having fun on their Royal Enfield Himalayan. So that's my Himalayan, guys. Like they have come by walking for this like Q&A session after the tuning and like what is the happening before the tuning. So guys, what is your experience with the like tuning? Like before tuning, how is your bike performing?
So I actually came up into the service center thinking with complaints about the bike's not really performing up to its potential. I noticed this on the past couple of rides. I tried fiddling it by the roadside, but then I felt it needed a better touch. So when I walked in and I met up with this guy, so he came up, Monty came up and he said, okay, I'll do something about it. Give me 5 minutes, I'll try and do something with it. He actually got out a small screwdriver, fiddled with it around, and he said, go take a ride now. And I said, okay, he must have done something, let me just go try it out. And so I took the bike for a small spin, and yes, there was quite a bit of a difference. The bike's responding a bit better, it feels a bit crisper, and there's no real lag right now. Of course, it's under testing and I need a much longer ride with it, but then it's nice to know that Monty's got our back. Cheers.
So Pooja, you also ride, right?
Yes, I do.
So how is your experience with the Himalayan after tuning?
Much better. Second gear pulls like wonders.
Like you can
Okay.
experience, you can. So guys, you can like see the expression on the Pooja's face after the tuning of his bike, and she's
And
really helped.
one thing, I would also like to thank the two TSMs that have helped us from the very beginning. Okay, there's Mr. Dhaval and there's Nimesh, who along with Monty give us a lot of backing. Like Monty is there for THT, they are there with us through. They are there for Monty and all of us at THT, and they give us all the backing possible, being with the Royal Enfield team, and we are really thankful to having them with us, because they are giving. All three of them are giving us very good guidance, okay, helping us out wherever need be. We just have to give them a call and like, hey bhai, ye ho gaya. And we have a solution to our problem like instantly. I'd like to say that Dhaval and Nimesh, associated with Royal Enfield, they are here, they have our backs, okay. In case we like just collapse, maybe have some kind of an issue on the road, we just need to make them a call and they will be there for us. But I would like to also specially mention Monty's name. He is not here through the company, but he is simply here helping us as a passionate biker, and that's what I give him full credit for, and he's always there for any one of us, even if you call him at like 2, 3 in the morning, and he will give you a solution over the phone. And this is what, according to me, is a passionate person, passionate for riding, passionate for the brand, passionate for the Himalayan. That's all I'd like to say.
So guys, Royal Enfield is really serious about this brand, the Himalayan brand. The Himalayan tribe guys are really helping Royal Enfield to like improve their bikes, improve their technology, like giving them a feedback, the customer feedback, and that is the most important thing. So guys, do join THT if you have a Royal Enfield Himalayan.